Hi, this is Khushbu with another question of circles. This is question number 27 from exercise 16.5, page number 16.86 from Adi Sharma. This says ABCD is a cyclic trapezium. ABCD, cyclic trapezium. This is a trapezium. This is A, B, C, D. Cyclic trapezium है with AB parallel to BC. हमें name change करने पड़ेंगे. This should be AB parallel to BC. ABCD. AB parallel to BC. In which angle B is 70 degree. This is 70. Find the remaining three angles. The remaining three angles आपको निकालने हैं. This is a cyclic trapezium. तो cyclic quadrilateral में opposite angles का sum होता है 180. So B plus D. Since ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, therefore angle B plus angle D will be equal to 180 degrees. Sum of angles, sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Now, angle B आपके पास है 70 degree plus angle D is equal to 180. So, angle D would be 180 minus 70. That means 110 degrees. This is 110. Now, हमें पता है ये lines parallel हैं. So, this is a transversal. The lines parallel हो और transversal है. So, अंदर वाले angles का sum would be 180. Co-integer angles कहते हैं इन्हें. So, since AD is parallel to BC and AB is a transversal, therefore angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, which is co-interior angles. So angle A plus angle B is 70 is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. That means 110. This is 110. So when ये 110 है, तो opposite angles का sum cyclic quadrilateral में is 180 या आप कह सकते हैं इन दोनों का sum is 180 because वो lines parallel है. So similarly, इसी reason से हम लिख देते हैं angle B plus angle C equals 180 co-interior angles. So angle B is 110 plus angle C equals 180. So angle C is 180 minus 110. That means 70 degree. So this angle is also 70. So this was question 27 from exercise 16.5. In case आपको कोई doubt हो, please do write to us and do watch the next video for some more questions. Bye bye.